too much.
भाई दोनों साइडें करनी.
Number 3. The position, this compare this, and this compare this. You see, this is too close. The thread cannot pass in between. This must be that the retainer finger must be set same line like the hook. This is the small hook. This must be the end of the retainer finger with the end of the small hook.
Okay.
More wide is, better the machine is running. Because we have more space for the thread. But important point that this touch enough to avoid that it's going out.
Going out.
Yeah.
मगर अभी लाइन होगी. Now it is a line.
Yeah, more or less the same. Okay.
Good.
This is little bit more inside.
Move out.
Move left side. This one.
इसका इधर से आ रहा है. इधर से इसको थोड़ा सा.
But now we must check rolling.
Okay.
Is okay?
देखने में लग रहा है वो वैसे ओके है. नीडल से चेक करें. नीडल बिल्कुल सेंटर में है.
For example, here the people set up this completely forward. I'm looking here. You see, this is completely forward. And
So that's
also
time.
there.
Yes.
Let's go to see if we have problem or not.
Okay. If the knife is completely forward, so lower thread is little
Yes, it's short.
short.
It's better for
It's
quality.
better for quality.
But the problem if you have very thin thread, could be that you must avoid that this can go to be cut in avance. If it's cut too short, the needle thread, become that this is cut when this is going here,
Okay.
it's cut now. It's not cut in this point. And it's cut shorter because it's cut it's not cut when this is with this gap, but is shorter. It becomes that instead to be cut at this length, because you have the thread like this, and this is going back from the needle.
Yeah.
This is cut is like this. Is cut here. In this way is cut from here to here. I have this length. The thread from here to here. Instead, if I cut correct, this is going back, is going back, is going back, is going back, and
No cut.
now it's cut in this way. Here.
Yeah. Well,
If you have too short cut, you move this a little bit back.
yeah.
लूप को काट रहा है वो कहाँ पे नाइफ.
लूप को काटने के लिए ये knife होता है. Loop cutter. This one.
Okay. Now,
This is only for thread.
yes, this is the thread. Sewing head is done.
Okay.
The other, when you set up the machine, this needle position never touch.
Yeah. This one is fixed.
This with the rotary hook you never touch. You must move this part and the needle. And you must be sure that now the needle is in the middle of the hole. Unfortunately,
Here
Here.
yeah, exactly. You have this. You must see that this must be set exactly in the middle of the hole.
we have adjustment on the low side.
Yeah, but first why? Because now you check that it is in the middle. Because later you will try to change the size. If you change the size, you change the body, but the needle you must set by eyes. If you set this that the needle is in the middle of the hole, more or less the clearance between this and this remain the same. Otherwise, if in the hole I'm going to enter a little bit this side, it means that needle compared rotary hook become a fire, and you have a problem.
Yeah.
There is no anymore zero gap. If this is middle, normally it's difficult that you make so much mistake. Now, the important point is now if I fix by the screwdriver.